Magandang araw, ako si John Paul Robert Calcanya at welcome sa aming vlog na pinamagatang Lakbay Rizal.
Ako si Adrian Lay Kuanang.
At ako naman si Sean CJ Dumayas.
Ngayon ay dadalhin namin kayo sa isang makasaysayang paglalakbay sa buhay ni Dr. Jose Rizal.
In this Spanish era, bahay na bato in Calamba, Laguna, Rizal was born on June 19, 1861, the seventh of 11 children. His parents, Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonso, nurtured a home where values and education were treasured. Here, Rizal took his first steps, read his first book, and dreamed his first dreams. His childhood was filled with curiosity, love for learning, and a growing awareness of injustice, a spark that would later become flame. At a young age, Rizal showed brilliance. He was reading and writing by age 3, taught lovingly by his mother. His formal education began in Calamba and Piñan, but it soared when he moved to Manila. He studied at the Ateneo Municipal de Manila, graduating with highest honors. He then enrolled at the University of Santo Tomas to study philosophy and medicine.
In Spain, he earned his doctorate of medicine from the Universidad Central de Madrid. He continued his studies in Paris and Germany, mastering multiple languages and sciences. He was a doctor, a poet, a sculptor, a linguist, but most of all, he was a visionary committed to the dream of a free and dignified Philippine.
As you walk through the shrine, you'll see his bedroom, preserved to reflect a young boy's simple beginnings. Recreated study areas, representing his scholarship pursuits, family portraits, and memorabilia that tell the story of a tight-knit and educated Filipino family. The original water well is still standing in the country yard, silent but overflowing with memory.
Ngayon naman ay kakusapin natin ang ilang kababayan natin para alamin ang kanilang pananaw tungkol kay Rizal.
Halina't tutukasin ang kanilang pananaw.
So ngayon, maghahanap po tayo ng mai-interview. Yan, good morning po. Nandito po si ma'am. Yung aming interview ngayon. Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am? Alma Panong. Ilang taon po? Ayan. Si Ma'am Alma Panong, 58 years old. Ang unang katanungan po ay, dapat po bang pag-aralan sa school ang buhay ni Jose Rizal at bakit?
Siguro sa ngayon pwede. Kasi sa generasyon ngayon, di ba?
Anong tulong na kaalaman tungkol kay Rizal sa buhay mo ngayon?
Buhay niya, sarili niya sa mamamayan at sambayanan.
Una po muna, ano pong pangalan niyo at ilang taon na po kayo?
Jerry Batalier, 24 years old.
Ito po ang aking katanungan. Dapat ba pag-aralan sa school ang buhay ni Rizal at bakit?
Oo, kasi history siya ng ating bansa. Wala.
Anong tulong ng kaalaman tungkol kay Rizal sa buhay mo ngayon?
Para sa akin, wala naman. Kasi yung mga sinulat ni Rizal, lesson siya sa atin. Pero nasa isang tao pa rin yung ina-apply niya sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Pero for me, hindi ko siya na-apply kasi hindi ko gaano alam yung history. Yun lang.
Hello po ma'am, pwede po ba kayong matanong ma'am?
Okay lang.
Ano po yung pangalan niyo tsaka edad po?
Senior na ako, 62. Melinda Palagi, 62 years old. From Antipolo City.
Okay ma'am, tanong ko lang po, dapat po bang pag-aralan sa school ang buhay ni Rizal?
Dapat. Para malaman ng mga kabataan ngayon kung anong kahalagahan niya, kung bakit siya naging isang bayani at naging national na bayani.
Sige po, next question po. Anong tulong po ba ang kaalaman tungkol kay Rizal sa buhay mo ngayon?
Sa realidad. Ngayon, lagi ako magtitinda pagka birthday ni Jose Rizal. Naituturo ko sa mga apo ko yung pagiging bata ni Jose Rizal, na yung ugali niya, para alam nila isang mabuting bata, masunuri.
I am happy and amazed. I was proud to see where our national hero Dr. Jose Rizal lived. The house was old but beautiful. I imagine how we grow up and learn many things there. I realized that Rizal was very smart and loved Calamba. And this whole country even when he was young. I also learned more about his life and how he studied hard. That will help me understand why he became a hero.
To answer the second question, how can you use the knowledge you gain in SS041 in your career when you became a professional someday? What is the relevance of Rizal in your field? Learning about Jose Rizal in SS041 helps future seafarers develop patriotism, ethical values, critical thinking, and empathy. These qualities are essential for representing Philippines abroad, making sound decisions at sea, and working effectively with a diverse international crew. Rizal's life inspires professionalism, dignity, and strong moral character in any career, especially in the maritime.
How can you honor him as our national hero now that you have taken SS041? What transformation happened in you because of SS41? What changes happen in your value system, sense of nationalism, habits, and daily lifestyle? Taking SS041 has truly deepened my understanding and appreciation of Dr. Jose Rizal, not just as a historical figure, but as a symbol of intellectual courage and love for the country. To honor him today, I strive to live with integrity, curiosity, and a sense of responsibility toward my community. I've become more mindful of my actions and their impact on others. My value system has shifted, now place greater importance on education, civic engagement, and critical thinking. My sense of nationalism has grown stronger. I feel connected to our history and more inspired to contribute positively to our nation. Even in my daily lifestyle, I've started reading more, reflecting on social issues, and engaging in conversations that promote awareness and change. Rizal's life reminds me that even one person can make a difference.